Do you think that clever algorithms and lightning fast data structures are sufficient for a perfect product? If so, you have to know the Maya story. Finally, the day of final project presentation has arrived. All the students were gathered in the presentation room along with Dr. Ajay, the senior most engineer from a well-known tech company, to review and judge the students' projects. All the students were tense and had a fear of presentation on their faces. But Maya, for months, had poured her heart into her project Hostel Mess Management System. Her project code was a work of art with clever algorithms and lightning fast data structures. Maya is the only student who had a confident smile on her face. With this confidence, during her presentation, she explained the use of custom-built hash tables for instant lookups and a B tree for efficient data storage. The way she presented the code snippets left all the students and the beloved judge, Dr. Ajay, in an awe expression. Dr. Ajay nodded slowly and said, "This is an excellent engineering, Maya, and very impressive." Maya beamed. But then he asked, "Now can you show me how a student can actually use it to see what's for dinner tonight?" Maya smiled flattered for a moment. "Of course," she said and ran the program. A black screen with blinking cursor appeared. She quickly typed a cryptic command. The outcome shown is a jumble of unformatted text appeared on the screen, which was not clear for anyone in the room. Now, Dr. Ajay asked, "Maya, what if the student makes a typo?" "Well," she admitted quietly, "it just crashes." Dr. Ajay smiled kindly and said, "Maya, you have built a perfect engine, but you haven't built a car around it." A user does not care about the beautiful algorithm, they just want to know if they have biryani for dinner or not. A product isn't just the code, it's the entire experience. Your code is 90% of the work, but the last 10% is simple, clean interfaces. This is what makes a product a valuable product for the people. A light bulb went on in Maya's head. For the next week, she didn't touch her perfect algorithm. Instead, she learned how to build simple web pages with big friendly buttons. Click here for today's menu and click here to see your balance and so on. When Maya applied for jobs, her resume said, "Developed a full stack hostel mess management system with a focus on user experience." It wasn't just the perfect engine that got her interview, it was the beautiful user friendly car that she had built around it. Maya stories teach us a profound lesson. A great product isn't just about what it does, it's about how it feels to use it. That final 10%, the user experience, is what turns a good project into a great one. Thinking about that user experience from the start is the key part of the think like an architect mindset. It's a skill that our AI interviewer in the Learning Agent app is being designed to encourage. We are building it to not only test your code, but to ask you questions about your design choices and how the user would interact with your solution. It's about practicing the full product mindset. The link to get onto the list is in the description. That's it for this week's career roundup. Now, my question for you is, think about a project you have built. What is one small thing you could do to improve your user experience of it? Could you add cleaner instructions, a simpler menu, a better looking output? Share your ideas in the comments below. Let's start thinking like product builders. Thanks for watching and keep learning.